What's up, you guys? It's your girl Deja D here, and by the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down. I am doing a collaboration video with the one, the only NYAISHA Love. I hope I pronounced her name right, but her name will be right here on this screen. She is a beauty YouTuber, just like myself. She creates different types of YouTube videos, and she also does makeup videos. I will post her name right here on the screen, and after you're done checking out my video, go ahead and click on hers. Our videos are going to be Pride inspired, very colorful looks. We both are very into colors. So without further ado, we're just about to get right into this video. Like I said, be sure to subscribe to this channel. If you're coming from NYAISHA's Love's channel, welcome. My name is Deja D, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will see you all in my other uploads. Be sure to check out my last uploads. Be sure to cut the notifications on. Be sure to subscribe, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. 84% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed, so let's change that. Let's drop the percentage and let's change that. Join the fam. I welcome you with good arms. I open you with welcome arms. So without further ado, let's get right into this. I'm chewing gum and my wisdom teeth hurt, so this is not really smart, but I am about to use this Wonder Color AO2 concealer. I hate this concealer so much, but the pigment is very wonderful, so I'm just going to prime my eyes with this. This pigment, that stuff smells like freaking glue, and a lot of YouTubers like it, but me, no. You see how pigmented it is, but it's like not blending. It's not blending. That's why I don't like it. Follow me on my IG. All my social medias are linked in the description box. Show me some love. DM me on my social medias. They're not private because your girl not all the way popping like that yet. But when the numbers get up, I might have to do that, but they're not private, so y'all could be sure to DM me. Y'all could DM me on my social medias. Let me know some video suggestions. Some girls and I watch my videos. They told me they wanted to see some videos in my DMs on my Snapchats and on Instagram and on Twitter. So I'm gonna pump those videos for them. So just be sure to hit me up on my social media platforms to let me know what videos. So as you see, the freaking concealer got every freaking wear. So you could actually just take a makeup wipe and clean up right here and on your nose. But I'm gonna wait to do that because I am going to do a lot of color today. So let's get this party started. I want to do some green. So what I'm going to do is take this flat Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to use this green, and I'm going to start with this eye first. Let me get my mirror. So I'm just going to pack this green. Like when I say pack, the whole lid is just going to become green. So now that you have your green on your eyes and this drink is looking good. Sorry. I know you all get hyped too when your stuff is hyped. Hey. Okay. I'm doing the ugliest. I'm doing the most. I don't know why I'm so hyped. I had no energy a few minutes ago. So now we are going to add some orange underneath. I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, no, we're not going to add orange underneath. I don't want to have green and purple. I don't want to have green and pink. I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to have pink. Yeah, I'm going to put pink down. Sorry, I can't stay away from pink. I'm going to put pink. So, I'm about to build up the pink. And back to time lapse we go, because I'm watching Grey's Anatomy. So now I'm going to take the smallest amount of the concealer and put that in the inner corner and try to attempt to like cut a crease, but like the literally like this much. I'm just gonna pack this right here and blend that down in that exact section. Literally just like this with the tip of the triangle blender. because I want to add another color and I want it to pop. So next on this eye, I'm going to take another flat brush and I'm going to apply purple to the outer part of the concealer, because in the inner corner of my eye I want to add some shimmer. So I'm going to pack this purple on the end part of the eye. And then on this eye over here, I'm going to take some yellow. I'm going to take some yellow and apply that just like I applied to the purple. So now that I have those shades on, I'm going to go into the inner corners with some shimmers. Sorry, y'all. Your girl is going through it. So I'm going to apply the shimmer on this eye with that pink brush that I had originally. And I'm going to go in with my new NYAISHA Metals Cosmetics. And on this eye, I'm going to go in with this pinkish shade right down here. And I'm literally just going to take it and pack that color on the inner corner of the eye. And then on the yellowish greenish side, I'm going to take this golden color at the top and just apply that to the inner part of this eye. So now I'm about to do my face real quick. I'm going to do a really simple, quick beat real quick. So I'll be right back. So once I have my whole face on, just a regular little sunlight, I'm going to actually go through and clean up the colors that I already put on real quick. And now, like I said I was going to do earlier, I'm going to take an orange and drag that underneath this eye over here. And I want that color to pop, so I'm really just going to build that color. And then on this eye over here at the bottom, I'm going to add blue and build that up just like I did the orange. So I know many of you all think I'm looking like a makeup crackhead right now. Like this is a Halloween costume. I mean, I wouldn't really wear this out on the street, but to each his own. Before, you know, you guys be like, girl, that's not cute. Lashes and liner make everything look better. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. I'm about to line my face. Line my face. Number 3. No, I'm about to line my lips and put some lashes on. I like to use the Kiss liner, Wet n Wild mascara, and today lashes that I'm going to be using is, I honestly don't know the brand. I want to say it's Kiss lashes, but I'm going to be using them in the style Paparazzi. These are very thick. They're kind of like oldish now, but that's what the lashes look like. So I wanted to use some thicker lashes just because, you know, thought that was a little cuter. So I'm just going to put all of that on. For a more detailed tutorial on how I do my liner and how I apply lashes, just stay tuned. I told somebody that I'll do that next week. So I said give me until like the middle of next week, just because I have so much stuff going on right now. And I just want to make sure that I'm putting out good quality videos. So just give me some time to recuperate. I'm starting my new job. I had a job today. I went to work today. So just let me get some time to recuperate. See, the lashes just, I don't know. The wings and the lashes, they just do something. So now I'm going to take this white jumbo eye pencil. You see how I just stopped talking? Like, what the heck? I'm just gonna take this white jumbo eye pencil and put that in the inner corner of my eye to make sure we pop it, baby. Like, you see that? We pop it. Can this like roll up? No, I guess it's all I get. But yeah. And I'm going to do something very, very special. Hold on, guys. Let me do my edges. Okay, guys, we're almost done. All we need to do is the lips in this last part. So I'm going to take my glitter. I haven't used this in so long. Oh my God, it's about time. I'm going to take this really, but a small brush. And I'm going to draw a line. So, what do I want to do? So I'm going to take this dark pink right here. And this glitter, it's alright. It's cute or whatever. And I'm going to draw the pink on this one. And I'm going to do it like a rainbow, kind of. But not all the way through. Just like halfway to like right here. Actually, no. Let's just drag this out all the way. Carving out the crease. That's cute. Hey. Then I'm gonna wipe off that glitter, and then I'm gonna take the green out of this one and do the same thing on this eye. And then I have this glitter liner. This part is really optional. I just don't really use this glitter liner. Whoa, this is looking cool. So I'm just gonna put some glitter underneath my wing. This glitter liner ain't even all that pigmented or glittery. It's just, I got it, never use it, so I just sprinkle it on every now and then, cause why not? Like, you see, you can see like the smallest amount. It's really water based, that's why you can't see it, but it was $1, so you can't really complain. I'm gonna do a really thin line of brown liner and call this a day, a night, a evening. See how I said like the smallest amount? The smallest amount. And then I'm gonna take this purple NYX lip butter lip gloss. I love their butter lip glosses. This is in the shade Berry Strudel Ox Bales. I don't know what that is. I've had this since like 9th grade. It's a very long name. And look at the pigment. Watch this. They should have me sponsor them. I'll sit here and I'll swatch all of the intense butter glosses. I love them. Look. You see that? Look at this.
Dice is on the beat.
Like, come on. Your faves could never. I didn't even dip it back in there. And I'm done. I'm done. Drop the mic. Drop the mic. Did I say it? Drop the mic. Okay. Huh. Huh. So feel free to wear this look to Pride. Feel free to wear this look to work. Feel free to wear this look to school. Feel free to wear this look to book club. Anywhere you feel. I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna keep this look with it. It's a little skeptical. Might can go with a nude. Might can go with a regular gloss, but you know, I'm gonna go with this because why not? So, like I said in the beginning, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my collaboration with NYAISHA Love. And I love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe. Don't be a part of the 84% that watches me and not subscribe. See you all on the next one. Bye, guys!